We're playing party games on Hypixel. Fishing
How do you play
rod.
it? How do you play it?
This is fishing rod. Use your fishing pole to get pigs in the trap. I'm really bad. Holy crap.
How are you not in? Get in, pig. That's one.
I've gotten 2 so far. I'm
That's
about to
two.
get a 3. Oh, there's 3.
That's three.
It's 4. Come on, pork chop. Come on. Come on, pork chop. I love you. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. We were friends, but now I need you as my food. 5. Let's go, baby. Did I win? No, I got second. Oh, we're still playing.
It's so hard.
I know.
He doesn't want to get in.
Oh. Ah, dang it, I got second. I think it's like you had to pull him in and I don't even know. What is this? Don't take a bath in lava? Will do, sir. I feel like that's something that you don't have to say. Oh gosh. Don't take a step in where there's those blocks.
What's the last block that does it? Oh, it's red. Red's the last one.
Oh! I fell. Gosh dang it. You still in this?
Yeah.
Snowman's gonna win. Snowman.
Fuck!
No! Snowman should have won, man. That would have been hilarious. You got
That's
third,
fun.
dude. Nice
That's
job.
fun. That's fun, dude. What is this?
Catch as many coins as you can. What is this, Mario? Trying to catch some coins?
Are they up in the sky? Oh my lord.
You trying to jump on him?
Oh, what's going on?
I think you're trying to jump on them.
I got this, bro. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, I got second. You got
Yes!
you got first and I got second. That was perfect. Let's go, boy. Survive the falling snow by getting under safe points. Okay? Seems good enough. Dude, that last one, I was like getting so concentrated. This is so. I feel like I'm gonna get moved by the ice. I'm with the girl, dude. Don't say anything. But
Stud, Spencer.
what's up? Dude, this is so hard with the ice. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna die.
It's just gonna get faster.
Yeah, I guess so. I feel like I'm gonna die because I'm gonna move from the ice.
I can't tell if I'm under it or not.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, man. It's like, I feel like I'm about to die. Oh, jeez.
Steve and I are just protecting each other, bro. We're just friends.
Oh, man. Oh,
Alright, Spencer, you gonna come share with me, bro?
yeah. Where are we going?
This one right here.
Nope,
The one way
too
over
late.
here.
I had one right next to me.
Oh!
it feels like they're touching me.
Spencer!
And
Oh!
it feels like they're touching me in odd places.
Shit! Spencer! Spencer! Oh. Yes, yes, one more next to me. Oh, 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 oh my god. I'm dead. Oh, Spencer. Spencer, 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 Spencer.
Dude, how are we alive? I just see faces. I don't even see anyone. This is insane. I feel like I'm about to die. I think we're top 3.
Yeah.
Dude, we already got points. This is amazing. This is easy win, boy. Oh, oh, oh. How? How did we win?
Oh, oh, Spencer.
Oh, oh. How did I
Oh, oh.
oh.
I can't even.
This is like not even fun anymore.
Well, it was like really intense, but
I want to
you-
die just so like this
it
gets over.
It's harder. I guess it's getting harder or something.
Is it getting harder? I can't tell.
Well, it's supposed to because of the waves.
Wave 23.
Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, dude.
Dude, this is...
Oh, oh, oh! Don't let the random win, Spencer.
We can't let the random gamer Giselle... This is a girl. Mmm. We've been playing with a girl this whole time.
Yeah,
It feels really weird that we're just getting smashed up with each other.
it's kind of too easy.
How many stars do you have? You have 4?
I'm gonna die.
I might take one for the team, man, and just die.
Oh, dude, I got this in the bag. This kid doesn't know who I am.
She might die. Oh, never mind. This is too easy.
Like the only way
I'm ripping skins this one
I
turn.
literally don't think. Oh my god. Did you die?
I didn't even die. There was one above me, I
Fuck!
think. I didn't even do anything. What
Dude,
the
just
heck? Why didn't I die?
Let your boy win. Oh!
I'm pretty sure people have left by now. I'm just gonna die.
If you actually do die. Spencer! My only friend.
Can you just die?
No. Cut. I got this, dude. I'm gonna win for the team. Spencer. This is actually like really too easy. Honestly, it's not getting harder anymore.
Hold on, let me send you something in Skype. And I think you need to read the message. And take a break from Minecraft for a second.
Yeah.
No! You were so close to dying.
Dude, look, I'm gonna evade them all. No!
She typed GG. That's a weird LOL. What's this one? Claim as much land as possible with your own hoe. I don't have a hoe.
What? You can only hoe next to your own color? Was this like territory or something? this is a strategy game. Because you can only do it right next to you. So if you go ahead and do this, you can go ahead and outline it, and then you can do it later. So basically, I just won.
Dang it, I was gonna do a big chunk of it and then start filling it in.
I'm smart. So.
Dang it! My strategy didn't work. But I didn't realize how to play until a little sooner after we started. Goal, kill animals. I'm gonna kill all the animals. Kill chickens, they're easier to kill. Oh, except it says how many points they're each worth.
I'm winning by a landslide.
Dang, I keep killing all the minus ones.
And don't.
Wow, thank you, Captain Genius. I was gonna say obvious, but then I was like, well, probably shouldn't say that. Because that doesn't...
Can I kill... Oh, I just killed the negative
They're
point.
so freaking fast.
I just killed the negative point, bro.
I
Fuck.
didn't even get top whatever. Dude, you're winning.
So
You're
far.
Yeah, you're 11. And I'm
Double tap
technically-
for a double
punch
jump.
bats, get money, double tap space. Kill the bats. Punch me, they see punch me.
Do I supposed to punch him when they say ouch?
And you just punch them. Are you kidding me? I didn't win again?
I won.
Go race to
shoot
finish
the
line,
color
shoot your color
blocks.
blocks to gate.
You are blue. So, you want me to shoot blocks? What's going on right now, dude? This is so loud.
This is so fast. What? Did I...
Yes.
So, what the heck was that? I didn't understand, like, what the heck was just going on.
I won.
Okay,
Thank you guys for watching. It's been Poptart OG. We just freaking... I just decked some kids. It was
Yeah,
8 points. Let's go. Spencer got... What did you get? Third?
I got third place, so that was our first episode. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely posting the full gameplay of that, so,
I'm not. Fuck that. I'll cut it out. I love you guys.
Anyway,
Bye.
yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Comment
That was
if you want to
recording.
see more.
I wasn't recording.
Anyway, guys, thanks guys for watching. Anyways,
And see ya.
hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, and goodbye.
Bye-bye.